Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to block YouTube ads in Brave browser on Windows. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Brave browser and navigate to chromewebstore.google.com. This is where you'll find the extension that will help you block those annoying YouTube ads effectively. Once the Chrome Web Store loads, you'll see a search bar at the top of the page where you can look for extensions. Click on the search bar and type AdGuard Ad Blocker, then press Enter. This will bring up a list of results related to ad blocking extensions. AdGuard Ad Blocker is one of the most reliable options for blocking ads across various websites, including YouTube, and it works seamlessly with Brave browser. From the search results that appear, click on AdGuard Ad Blocker. This will take you to the extension's main page where you can read more about its features and see user reviews. It's important to make sure you're selecting the right extension before adding it to your browser. On the right side of the page, you'll see a button that says Add to Brave. Go ahead and click on it. This initiates the installation process for the extension and prepares it to be added to your browser. The button might briefly change as Brave processes your request. Next, a confirmation pop-up will appear asking you to confirm the installation. Click Add Extension to proceed. This step finalizes the installation and adds AdGuard Ad Blocker to your Brave browser. The extension will now be active and ready to block ads on YouTube and other websites you visit. Once the extension is installed, look at the right panel of your browser where you'll find the extension button. Click on it to open AdGuard Ad Blocker. This allows you to access the extension settings and confirm that it's working properly. You can also customize how it blocks ads if you want to adjust any preferences. And that's it, you've successfully set up AdGuard Ad Blocker in your Brave browser to block YouTube ads. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.